As an executive or manager, you're challenged to do more with less. We often get caught up in the daily hustle, never finding the time to implement lasting programs that take us to the next level of efficiency. In the industrial world, one initiative that truly advances your operations is predictive maintenance, or PDM. By taking a modern approach to predictive maintenance, you can easily achieve your production goals, reduce your operating costs, and improve the safety of your workers. Let's look at some real-life examples of how PDM technologies are helping industrial leaders achieve these goals. 1. Achieve production goals. Your production is directly related to the availability of your assets, and one of the main reasons for not meeting production goals is unplanned downtime. While your most critical assets may be monitored continuously, the semi-critical or balance of plant assets often become the weakest links that bring down production. Take the case of this combined cycle power plant in California. The plant experienced a catastrophic incident when a small generator cooling fan with severe bearing wear came loose. The fan shot around like a pinball, causing major damage to surrounding equipment. This forced the plant into a 4-week shutdown, resulting in lost revenues and extensive repairs, which totaled several $1 million in loss. Today, the same plant uses wireless PDM technology to predict potential issues ahead of time and take action long before a major incident occurs. 2. Reduce operating costs. In manufacturing, reducing operating costs, even by a small percentage, can help your business gain a competitive edge. A pharmaceutical manufacturer in North Carolina was looking for ways to optimize their energy use. The facility utilized an efficient steam recovery system to capture and recycle excess heat for their operations. But every month the system would develop leaks that would go unnoticed, resulting in a large amount of steam escaping into the atmosphere. They decided to install a wireless PDM system on their steam traps to help identify leaks in real time. The technology improved their mean time to repair steam traps from 130 days to just 5 days, enabling the facility to reduce their annual energy waste by 96%. The pharmaceutical company also realized other cost savings, including reduced preventive maintenance costs by shifting from time-based maintenance to a condition-based approach, reduced holding costs for spare parts and inventory by mitigating the risk of sudden failures, and even reduced CapEx costs by increasing asset reliability and decreasing the need for redundancies and backup equipment. 3. Improve the safety of your workers. Predictive maintenance improves the safety of your employees and the compliance of your operations. This is especially important for industries that deal with explosive environments and hazardous chemicals. In the mining industry, a variety of chemicals are used to process metals and minerals. For instance, this gold mine in Nevada processes gold ore using a mercury scrubbing process. Their traditional maintenance program required workers to manually inspect the chemical handling equipment, exposing them to the risk of injury and even death. The gold mine has now shifted to a modern PDM approach, using wireless sensors to monitor equipment from a safe distance. By having continuous visibility into the health of their assets, the team is able to make quick, data-driven decisions and avoid catastrophic incidents. Today, implementing a predictive maintenance program no longer requires significant upfront investments and a large team of reliability professionals. Modern technologies for predictive maintenance can help you achieve operational reliability more effectively and at a fraction of the cost. Petasense is on a mission to simplify predictive maintenance. The Petasense system is comprised of wireless sensors and predictive analytics software, which makes it easy to proactively monitor all your industrial assets, including motors, pumps, compressors, valves, electric panels, and more. Petasense serves customers across virtually every industry, from oil and gas, mining, and power, to pharmaceuticals, utilities, and food and beverage. Are you ready to take your operations to the next level?